If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Louis Crypto, and in my last Casper update, we were sitting slightly beneath the 20, but in fact above this key level of support, which I marked out last week. I'm going to now head over to my last Casper update, where we predicted this move up very nicely from this point of support. And as we can see, we got that close back above the 20, engulfing the previous candle. This is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern, appearing at a key level of support being the 1 Fibonacci targets, and in turn pumping up high and meeting our 15-cent target that we were predicting. Now we can see that we actually are yet to close above that, and with that being the case, there are risks of dumps. That's why we started to come back down. As long as we can hold above the 20, we will eventually push through this high of 14.8 cent, and in turn targeting 20 and 25 cent, which are targets that we've been mentioning over the past few weeks on the channel over here. So it's nice to see that we got the reversal as we predicted in the last update. Let's get these videos to over 50 likes. It'd be much appreciated, and we're definitely today going to be hitting 7K. So really appreciate from the bottom of my heart all the support that we've been getting over the past few months on the channel. Now the question becomes, will Casper push through this high? Will it continue to hold this? I'm going to now prepare you the levels that if this does not hold, where it could catch support and still continue higher eventually. So we would then go, if we would lose the 20 over here, the 2.272, we'd come back down to the 55 moving average. And now that's sitting above this point over here. This is even more bullish because we can see that our second layer of defense, essentially, what do I mean by that? If we come down and hold the 20 and fail to see a breakout, that's what we could see over here. If we fail to break out and get that continuation, then we might just fall through and come down to the 55. Is exactly what happened over here. And this acts as your second layer of defense to push you back above the 20, making you bullish again. So that's why I'm already preparing, just in case a dip does come. Understand that the case that I'm going to show you right now will only come to fruition by losing this key area of support. And so in order to get this dump down to the 55, we need 4-hour closes below this point, flipping into resistance to dump down into that location. I'm now going to place a set of fibs that's going to give us some further confluence that this is a key level of support. It's lining up very nicely with the deepest retracement level being the 786 fib at 12 cent. So continue to hold above 12 cent, and we will eventually, if we do see the loss of this point, come down to 12 cent, reclaiming the 20 for continuation higher. This dip does not have to happen, guys. In fact, what should really in turn happen is a break above the 14.8 cent area in order to continue to our 20 and 25 cent target. Guys, I know it's a quick one today, but there's not much more to say other than we're looking for continuation higher, but already preparing you guys for the bearish case, which would take us back down to here. At all costs, we need to hold above this purple box over here of support, just as I mentioned in the past update at the end of last week. I think it was the Thursday or the Friday that I made that video, and so we bounced exactly as we were predicting. We needed to close back above the 20. We got the bullish reversal candle over here at the key level of support, and so in turn trying to break and continue to our 20 and 25 cent. But as we close below with the bodies, yes, we surpassed it, but with the bodies we closed below, so we need to fall back to key levels of support, that in turn being the 20 moving average. Hold this for continuation higher. We can see that when we get above it and hold it support, we do continue higher. So continue to do so, and we should break through this level. If we do see this as a stumbling block and we fail to break and we get rejected and lose the 20, that's when we could be coming in for a deeper correction, hold above 12 cent, and we'd reclaim the 20 for continuation higher. I'm not suggesting that that would be the case in preparation. I'm just preparing you guys if we do get the rejection and the loss of this area. For now, I'm just waiting for a break of this 14.8 cent for the continuation higher. Hopefully this was informative for you guys. I do have multiple things in place if you want to join my community, do my ebook, take action on the one-to-one mentorship plan, or do my pre-recorded 6-hour-long 30+ video course. Private message me. I've got discounts at the moment. Head over to my Twitter, links down below. Private message me there for more information. Hope to see more of you join the community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hopefully tomorrow we're at 7K subs. Cheers, everyone. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.